Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here to our channel. This is Semingon, and today is Wednesday, Trader Wednesday today, and we're happy to tune in here. Unfortunately, we tune in a little bit late. Very sorry about that, So very sorry about this inconvenience. Anyway, we're here. We're here. That is what matters, because every day we have to tune in here and continue to learn how to trade. Yesterday, we did it, but the outcome wasn't what we were expecting. We started very well yesterday, but at the end things didn't go well. Anyway, that's fine. Today we going ahead, because the important things here is to always show up. That is what matter, because practice make perfect, and we going to practice again today. So our channel is bilingual. I have to welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue encore une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Semingon et aujourd'hui c'est mercredi soir. Alors c'est l'avant-dernier jour de notre programme. Alors nous, parce que le dernier jour est jeudi, donc nous sommes connectés un peu en retard aujourd'hui. Nous sommes désolés pour cela. Néanmoins, l'important c'est que nous soyons là. Tous les jours, nous devons nous connecter afin de pratiquer notre, comment dirais-je, exercer, autant pour moi, s'exercer sur notre activité, quoi. C'est-à-dire, lorsque nous exerçons, nous entraînons chaque jour, ça fait en sorte que nous puissions devenir bien ou bien plus performants. Hier, nous avons passé à la fin une mauvaise soirée. Bon, néanmoins, nous acceptons, malgré que nous avons bien commencé, mais les choses sont très mal tournées à la fin. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer. L'important, c'est d'être là. Alors, brièvement, nous allons voir ce que nous réserve le marché. Nous sommes à la descente. Trader, if you check our daily chart here, see that we are on the downtrend. Trader, we are on the downtrend. As you can see, downtrend. We're on a downtrend. See, we're on the downtrend here for the daily chart. So it means that our trade are going down. You can see it here. We came here up to how many days here? This is 5 days, consecutive days. Went up on Euro Japanese, and now we're now pulling back down. So that is it. When we go here to 4 hours, comme je disais, vous voyez, nous sommes retournés. On a fait 5 jours ici. Donc, le marché redescend déjà. Aussi, 4 heures. See a rebound there. 4 hours. Those are very, very important, trader. 4 hours here. If it's possible, we are here on the 50 simple moving average. So now on 4 hours, we need to place our our horizontal line here, the support, horizontal line, support. So we see here that we are on the support. I have to place my line on the support. The support here for our support. All right. Now that is a support on 4 hours. Twitter. For our support. All right. So we have our support here. Very, very important. We hit the 50 and let's see. So let's wait and see. We are moving above the 200 EMA. We reject it from the low. We're approaching now the break. Trader, it's good. Want to see break continuation down. Just wait patiently. We see a break on Canadian. Maybe we don't have a break and rejection. Who knows? Approaching 8. We do not trade here up to now. Those who just tune in, it's just 17 minutes. We went live here. We're sorry about the inconvenience, the late. You guys have to always check us. Even though you don't see us live at 7, sometimes we may, come a little after that. It happened that we cannot, just respect time at 7 p.m. So let's see here. Those horizontal line is our support, for our support. for our support. So we want to see if the trade gonna hit there and rebounds. We already have Canadian Japanese hitting there. Nous attendons notre trade arriver au support. Les lignes blanches que vous voyez, c'est le support de 4. Donc, attendant notre trade probablement arriver là-bas. Comme le temps approche déjà à 8 heures approche, donc nous allons attendre 20 heures puisse arriver. We're breaking down here, almost on Canadian Japanese, but we're expecting to see a rejection. GBP as well. Maybe those who took the reversal is good. I didn't take it. Pray that this evening, maybe, we don't know, maybe we may experience downtrend or a reversal. See a rebounds. Not trade yet. Here. Want to see a continuation down. Maybe we want to see a break and continuation down. we're having now here, you know, higher lower and lower high, higher lower and lower high. So we don't know yet what our trade pattern is. Can't read this, so let's see. We're still on the trend here, the range. I mean, this is the range, lower, 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 high, and lower. Maybe we'll have a lower, lower. We welcome those who are tuning in right now. So let's wait and see. Yesterday, we started very, very well. At the beginning, things was moving. We have 2 rounds of trade, winning trade yesterday, and I could have even just stop like that. But I keep trading. I start giving back, and I gave more and more. You know, it was very painful, but we need to learn from that. Yeah, it might be sometime, maybe you hit double round of winning trade. You might even decide to stop like that. It's possible, you know, even though it's earlier, because you will never know. But since we're working on time, you know, sometimes you hit those double round of winners and you say, you know what, I can eat 3, I can eat 4, I can eat 5. It's true, you can do that, but sometimes you start giving back everything you made. So how are we going to make money in the market and save it and keep that money? Because the important part, I mean, here is not to make money, is to make that money and keep it and be able to walk away, because that is what we're coming here for, right? If you come in here and make money and at the end of the day you give back, and that is what happened to us here often. We make money and we give back, sometimes even more. So we are still struggling with this, because what is here already, what we can do here is that, I mean, what we already done here, we are successful doing, is to make money, because it's not everybody who have possibility even to see the direction of the market even once or twice. But we did it. Our 6th first round trade was successful. We did it again the second time. It means 12 trade. That is enough. It's enough. There are even people who are going to come here just one round, which is 6 trade. They hit it positively. They done. That's fine. Yes, it's true. Imagine that you show up here, you take those 6 trade, and you see the market. Let's say you take 2-2 or 3-3. How can I say? You know, if you place your first trade here, second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, and you're successful. Okay, depending on the quantity you're taking. And now, if you just took maybe two lot in each one, or one lot, that is 6 lot together, how much is that going to be? A decent amount of money, right? And you take again the second trade, maybe one lot, 6 lot, you make money. But what are you keep trading? I understand that we're live here, so we want to stick here in order to entertain ourselves. It's true, but what are you going to gain if you entertain yourself and you're giving back money you're making? Maybe what we can do is that when you're making, get the 2 round like that on one account, maybe you switch the account, the next one, you switch account, you say, you know what, this account, I made this kind of money, I'm going to switch to different account, maybe in that different account I'm going to lower my quantity. I'm going to lower my quantity because I made money there. I don't want to give that money back here. I'm lowering my quantity, take it small, maybe a fraction of what I was trading. It make you to, even though you lose the first round, the second round, you won't go back to the red territory for that day. I think that can be a good approach of your trading. Trader, we're approaching now 8:02, 8 p.m. Eastern time, and at 8, Tokyo market gonna open, and we'll see more movement in the market. So need to get ready. Those are the things, we need to be careful. You need to learn how not only to make money, but to keep that money. Because yesterday we hit it. It's not only yesterday. Most of the time we don't just start red right away. We just go green up, and now we'll come down back red. We have to congratulate ourselves that we already go green, because some people don't even try. Try to go green, which is already good. So, but we have to learn how to keep our money. Almost 8. Here. It's already 8 here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we're going to do. Tokyo open here. Let's see. We're holding here on the support. Let's see if we're going to break the support. We're trying to break here. We reject on Canadian Japanese. Let's see. Canadian Japanese one breaking. Watch it here. 11:30 C trader. We're breaking here on Canadian. Want to see a rejection. We're holding. We reject here. Continuation down on Canadian. Gotta be careful with rejection. For Japanese, US Japanese at the lower, I think we'll see a rejection. See a rejection here. Rejection. Trader, I think that we're gonna go long here because we're holding at this level. Let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit in my quantity. Add a little bit in my quantity here. See what in here. Not trade yet. Not trade yet. I'm taking long trade here. Please see my stop below. Taking a long position. Adding my quantity because all trade are not equal. I think this is a good entry. I'm going long on my position. I added my quantity, trader. Please see my stop here below. So let's see. Let's see. See holding. Long position. I want to see a break. Continuation. See holding. See holding here. Pulling back down. See holding. C'est un C-trade sur le long. Gotta be hard, difficult here to get the new high. I know. Very, very difficult. But it's possible. Why? Because we have more volume in the market. So that is the reason why I went up. I went long. So let's see. We're going to have a break. Nice move. Nice. Great. Want to see the continuation up. Great move here. Nice move. Trader. Great. Want to see our trade keep going up. Want to keep holding our trade, trader. Falling back down. Want to see a little push up. And do that. Keep holding, keep pushing here. Want to see a push up, trader? Can do that. Great. Nice. Nice push. Watching here. Continue à pousser vers le haut. Nice. Want to see continuation up. Twitter. Also Japanese as well. Nice push. Great. Want to see a continuation up. Keep going. Nice push. I'm still holding here. Want to see Australia Japanese breaking there. New high. See holding. Pulling back down. Hope that we can push a little bit more. I'm still holding here. We are above our 20 EMA. Want to see another green candle. Straight down my trade. So it's coming back down. Expecting China to break. Coming back down. We don't reach to our target, trader. I'm still holding. Hopefully, we'll see any move up. Giving back our profit here. Want to see our trade moving to the new high, trader. China want to break, which is great. Want to go to the new high. Want to see Australia moving up. Nice move. Good, I'm still holding here. Want to see our trade moving, getting the new high. It's possible here, even though it seems impossible. It seems difficult, but it's possible. Falling back down. No, we don't get it. Don't get it here. I'm still holding trade. Coming back down. Coming back down, trader. Maybe you're gonna come to our stop. So I stop at there. I was expecting this trade to go to my target, but I don't get it. Let's see. Maybe Australia gonna go to the new low. I don't know, but I'm sticking on my plan here. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Pushing my stop on Australia Japanese. I'm almost out of Australia Japanese trader. Want to see rejection. Out of Australia Japanese trader with a loss, breaking down. No, that is why sometimes people take profit quickly. Sometimes, but I didn't do that because I was expecting my target to hit. Let's see the other guys. Hopefully we'll have a rejection. Canadian approaching my stop as well. Gotta be out of the trade on Canadian. Out, I gotta get out of all my trade approximately right now. Let me see. I expect to see a rejection here on Australia Japanese. It was a nice trade, but I didn't take a profit because I was expecting more. Let's see. We're gonna have a rejection there. A continuation lower. We're expecting a rejection. GBP, Euro Japanese now my stop. Want to see a rejection. We may re-enter the trade here on US Japanese. A very nice entry. Nice push. I don't average down, trader. Gotta go long on Australia Japanese again. Let's see my stop here below. I don't average down. Otherwise, I could have buy more when it was lower, but I don't do that. Because doing that gonna jeopardize your account if you keep going down. They call it catching the falling knife. So I don't do that. Let's see. I'm still here holding for long position. Hopefully, I'm going to take our direction. Out of row soon. See, holding all my trade here. I lost one. Slowly I'm losing again raw Japanese. I may re-enter the trade anytime. Want to see a rejection on the raw Japanese. If I see a green candle, I'm going to go in again. Probably. We can also see this continuation down. It's possible. As you can see here in Euro Japanese, breaking the 4 hours. Look like we're heading down. Okay, trader, we're moving down here. Got to take a loss here. Moving down. It's obvious. So that is my first losing round trade. I was in profit, but I didn't take it because expecting to hit my target isn't. Sometimes it happens. That is why people take profit earlier sometimes, but I don't do that. Let me now go short here, trader, to see this break. I'm holding there. I'm not taking too much trade. I gotta take one at a time. So let's see. So rejection, going back up, just took one. So that's the buy, going up. I can say that that was some kind of mistake. I wanted to go short, but I went long. Nice. Sometimes, you know, things work in your favor. So we saw rejection here as well. You were Japanese, Osai Japanese as well. Saw a rejection. Maybe we're gonna see continuation up. I don't know. Let's see. See a rejection. I'm going long again here, trader. Trying to see if I can go long here on those trade. Again. Going long there again. Let's see. Taking a long position. I stop there. If we have a losing trade again, now I'm going to change my account. Let's see. Trader are frustrated. What can we take away from it? You know, I have a profit, but I didn't take it. That is what I lost. I lost because it didn't reach my profit. Not that yes, it didn't reach my target profit. Sometimes you can stick on your plan. You know, it's not bad to stick on your plan, waiting the trade to get to your target. Very important. But most of the time it doesn't go there. So that is why most of the time I've been doing here, taking profit earlier. You know, it's not good, but sometimes it's necessary. Because the market will never, you know, it doesn't move in one direction for a long time. So you're going to place the target. You will never know if your trade going to reach that target. You'll never know. So that is why it's important sometimes to take early profit. You know. So that is what happened to me here. And have this huge loss, you know. So. And today I increased my share, my unit today. I did. So unfortunately that's going against me. I was expecting it to go for me, no, but it didn't. I'm here again for a long because I saw a rejection from 4 hours. Taking another long position here, trader. Let's see. I'm gonna play out. Wanna see our trade going up. Nice move here. Nice move. Going up. Want to see our trade moving up here. Let's see. Gonna get it. Sorry, I want to keep moving down. Ready? Back down. It will just look like it was just a retest. I don't know. Ro is doing better. You can see that our trade was already on a downtrend, so we're trying to go against the trend here. I thought we can have a rebound this evening. It looked like we're not getting it. We're not getting any rebounds here. It's just on Euro Japanese. We're having a rebounds. So I'm still holding our 6 trade here for the long. We're expecting at least some kind of rebounds and moving up through that. Look like I'll keep pushing down. Seller are in control here. Seller in big control. So I'm getting out again. Doesn't work. As you can see. Still holding. Because I was expecting this one to, pull back, but we don't have it. Out of US Japanese. So trader, we are on a downtrend. So I need to, this is what I can give to this account for today. This is my max loss. I hit it. I'm not allowed to trade again in this account, even though the trade is going to take my direction now. That is how it is. Sometimes when you have account, it's better to have your max loss on it. Very, very important. So I hit the max loss at that level. Gotta stop trading here. I can just flip account if I want to keep trading. So flip account here. What can we take away again, trader? I came here and I found out that we have a downtrend. I can show it here. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, okay. I came here. I found out that I have a downtrend trade here, as you can see, the downtrend. So unfortunately, I was supposed to know that we are on a downtrend. I tried to look for short, but I thought maybe we can have a rebounds, at least to retest here. As you can see, the trade keep going down. Now I went against the trend, but what I could have done here is that I could have take the small profit because I'm in downtrend. So it's difficult for the trade to move a lot in the opposite direction. So I could have just take what the market gave me. But that is not what I did. I tried to push to the long run, which I didn't get. So unfortunately, I'm ending today with a huge loss. So Sunday I was red. Monday, a little bit green. Tuesday red, Wednesday red. So that is it's huge. So we are in the downtrend. The trade is keep going down. So see this here. This is a different account. Can place trade, but can take a downtrend here and hold it. I'm not yet feeling comfortable because I see China is still above. You haven't break. This guy that haven't break here. This one that haven't break. I just have 3 trade breaking. It means what? It means that these guys want to keep going up here, and this guy as well. So going short there, I'm not sure. I'm not. It happened, trader. We're here to learn, and you know, keep some lesson here, which is going to help us for the long run. What we're doing here is not just for today. It's for months, for years. So we're building our, foundation. If you trade very well the process, you shouldn't worry about the outcome. The outcome will follow. So the process is very, very important. Even though we're having losses, it's okay. It's okay. Because we are learning. We're looking for skills. We need to know how to learn how to read the market. That is what matters. See that I was not quite wrong. It's just the time I entered the trade wasn't good. We see how we're pushing up here. Donc je disais que j'étais contre la direction du marché. Voilà, j'étais contre la direction. Aujourd'hui, encore 3 jours consécutifs. Voilà, successivement, la perte. Donc, c'est pas grave. Nous sommes en train d'apprendre. Nous tirons des leçons. C'est pour le futur. Voilà, j'ai atteint le montant que je devais donner aujourd'hui. Un peu plus. Parce que j'ai ajouté mes shares. Je voulais dire mes quantités. Ça a augmenté la perte. Donc, c'est ça, ça arrive. Voilà. Ça ne veut pas dire qu'on était complètement fausse. Vous voyez comment le trade a replié. So, trader, I'm still here. It's approaching 9. I tuned in a little bit late. I think we're going to close today at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. It's okay. We shouldn't give up. Even though we're having losses, we're having negative outcome in what we're doing. The lesson here today is that when the market is on some kind of a downtrend or uptrend, what the market give you, you have to take it. Take what the market give you. Don't expect the long run, because long run, for the trade to do the opposite, go far away, it's difficult. You might just do a small pullback and come back down. That is what we experienced today. Market had a pullback. This was a pullback the market gave us. This pullback here. I entered the trade at this level. It came here. I was expecting the trade to break here, but it didn't. This was it. This up tick, This uptick, was expecting to keep continuing up, but I have a down tick. So I'm gonna pause here today, trader. Keep going down. We gotta be here tomorrow. Probably we may trade in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, probably. So we'll invite you guys to check us tomorrow morning. Maybe, who knows? Check us tomorrow morning and see if you can trade tomorrow. Tomorrow morning will be fine. We didn't stay for too long today, trader. Just 90 minutes here. So 1 hour and a half. It's not every day we're going to stay for a long time, depending of what the market gives us. Even professional trader does that. They don't measure their trade by time, but they measure by the trade by losses or winners. So sometimes you can come here and hit just 1, 2 trade, and now you're done. You can leave earlier, or you hit 1 or 2 trade, you hit your mass loss. So anyway, trader, thank you for watching. I know you guys was plenty here. Very grateful. We will see again. Let's keep moving forward. We still have plenty time to ahead us by the grace of God. Thank you again and goodbye. Merci beaucoup. Nous avons encore beaucoup de temps. Nous allons nous revoir demain, si possible. Yeah. And tomorrow we're going to meet here at